If your LG front load washer is making grinding noises, not spinning, or showing error codes, the rotor could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and I'm here to guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliance. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a 17mm socket, and a mallet or hammer. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your washer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. With the power safely disconnected, let's move on to troubleshooting your front load washer. Grab your Phillips screwdriver and remove the 4 screws securing the back access panel. Lift the top of the panel, tilt it out from the bottom, and slide it down to remove it. Now use a 17mm socket to remove the rotor bolt. With the bolt out, pull the rotor straight off the shaft. Carefully inspect the magnets inside the rotor for cracks or chips. If you find damage, replace the rotor. If it looks good, something else is affecting your washer. Here's the old rotor assembly and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Set the new rotor onto the drive shaft and secure it with a 17mm bolt. With the motor components in place, reinstall the rear access panel. Plug the power cord back in, and with that, we're done. Great job on replacing your LG front load washer's rotor. We hope this video made the process simple and effective. If you'd like to share your experience or have any lingering questions, drop a comment below. We're eager to hear from you. And if you still need parts for your repair, visit AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number to get what you need. Most orders arrive in just a few days. Thanks for trusting us with your do-it-yourself project, and we look forward to helping you with your next repair.